buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6.
Hey, boys and girls, I'm here with my good friend Dexter. What's up? Hey, Dexter. Dexter. I'd like to teach the boys and girls the song 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Will you help me? I will. All right, good. Goes like this. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Isn't that right, Dexter?
That's right. All right, let's sing.
All right, here we go.
1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Let's do it all again. Here we go. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Let's do it all again. Here we go. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. And 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Let's do it all, let's do it all, let's do it all again.
All right, Dexter, what'd you think?
Well, I'm a little confused.
What do you mean you're a little confused?
Well, let's tell the story again. 1, 2, buckle my shoe.
All right, buckle your shoe.
3, 4, shut the door.
All right.
5, 6, pick up sticks.
All right.
7, 8, lay them straight.
All right, got that.
9, 10, a big fat hen.
Right, that's the whole song. That's it.
I know. Where did the hen come from? I don't understand the hen. We got somebody buckling shoes, picking up sticks, shutting doors. I get it all. I get that. Where did the hen come from? What does the hen have to do with the story?
Dexter, I don't know. I didn't write it. That's just the way it goes.
Well, I'm confused.
All right, Dexter, I don't know what to tell you. Boys and girls, Dexter and I will try to figure this out. But you sing that song, and we'll see you again later. Bye-bye.
And let's do it all, let's do it all again.